Right. Hello guys. Today we are going to do a restoration of this Pifco fan. So I've already done the part on it, the oiling part, but I will quickly just take the front off so you can see what the motor looks like. Let me just take this off. So the motor looks like this, which means this has got quite big air vents, which means the air is going to move through there nicely and keep it cool, but it's going to have a lot of places for the dust to get in. So hence why I've blown out all the dust with compressed air. So it's now got no bit of dust in there, which is good. But yeah, let's start putting it together and seeing how well it runs. I'm hoping that the oil will get to the axle and free it up because it's a little bit stiff still. But I'm hoping that when it starts and it warms up, I'm hoping the oil that I've put in is going to expand and go to where the axle is. I am hoping. So let me just quickly put this together. Shan't take too long. The good thing is about this though, is it's got, I had to put some not quite going in there. Just not quite long enough. This. Right, I think this is a slipping thread. So let me just take this screw out, because obviously the screw that I put in is a slipping thread screw, and we can't have that in there. So let me just quickly find another screw in my bits and bobs box. Just got to try and find another screw that's the same sort of screw, just like the one that I had bought. I got out, and I think this one might be it. Might be this one. If you can see. Looks similar, but I think it's going to have the same issue. Maybe not. That one is actually screwed in, so that's good. Right, okay, so what we can do now is we can, this one, because we don't need this now, and start putting it together. So the fan base is over there, so what I'm going to do is quickly turn you around so you can see me build it back up. So let me just go and quickly grab the other end of it without knocking the tripod over. So let's just go over to here. So let's put this up. I don't know why, but the thing's gone really wobbly, but it's because it's lost its thing that used to keep it from not doing that wobbling thing, so I might have to sort that out another time. But yeah, let's get the head on first. It's definitely got to be old, because the motor design is definitely an old style motor design. It's not like the new style ones, which are like pain and balloon. But what we are going to do is do a quick test without. Oh, hang on, I've forgotten something. I need this. I need this little pin to go back into the shaft, because this is what stops the blades from sliding back. And without that, it won't do much. There we go. That's back into there. So now we can put this on. The blades I need to clean, but I'll do that later. But I don't use this fan particularly much. What we'll do is we'll do a quick test. I'm doing it the wrong way. I'm such an idiot. What we'll do is we'll do a quick test to see how it performs. So let's see how it is. But it's okay. Yeah, it's got a bit of a spin down to it, so that's okay. So let's plug it in and see what we get. Oh yeah, that's loads better. It's got loads of power to it now. It's now sort of got itself a bit more air power to it, which is good. It's on the highest. Let's see what the spin down's like now. It's actually quite a good spin down now, because it used to just stop straight away, but now it doesn't. Okay, so let's take these off. Oh, why is it still facing downwards? Hang on a second, guys. It's still facing downwards. Yeah, so let's put this back on. Thank you. Right, let me go and put this grill back on. Because it's over here. Now this grill has an annoying thing about it, which is basically it's got a silly it's got a silly clip ring. It's like got clips that go around it, if you get what I mean. It's like a ring that's got like tiny little clips, and it's always really irritating to sort out. There we go, that'll do. It's clipping because I keep over tightening it, because I'm a pleb and don't know what I'm doing. This could really do with a new blade, but I don't want a new blade on it. I think it's actually okay. It's got a bit of wobble to it, but that doesn't really bother me too much. Again, it is old, so it's going to have a bit of quirks, and that is its quirk with the blade wobble, so I'm going to keep it like that, because every old... What are you doing? I'm streaming. Get out. For God's sake. Bloody mother again. Sorry about that, guys, but she always comes in whenever I'm doing videos, and it's always really annoying. There you go, so that is back on there. So let me just go and get the little oscillating knob, which goes back, which needs to go back on. And I like this because it doesn't screw in. You just push it on and go straight on. So let me just push it on. There we go. Set. And let's turn it on again. Well, that's good. So let me just take this off of here. is. To do it the right way. So yeah, it is. You can see it's working pretty well. If I stop it and if I have a look at it, it has got a little blade wobble. You can see it. It's quite distinctive, but it does the job. And it's this little quirk that it has, but it's not shaking the whole thing. So it can't be that off balanced, and it's not affecting it. But it's got a good balance. And now we just got to wait for it to warm up, and then once it's warmed up, you can see what it's like. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So let's just do a quick spin down. And it does actually have quite a good spin down now. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.